Hello everybody and welcome back to a new video on my channel. Today I want to talk to you why I think it's actually good that sometimes hunting or going hunting for diecasts in general, if it's unsuccessful, why I think that is actually a positive experience you can have, or the most positive experience you can get when collecting. Now, I know some of you are already typing in the comments, what do you mean? The best experience you can have in hunting is searching and finding a supergiant. And yes, I totally agree. Finding a supergiant, wonderful feeling. I found one on a random first day hunt in a random store. I didn't even expect to sell Hot Wheels in the first place. But for me, actually, now that I think about it for a longer second, would I have considered going more hunting if every hunt was successful from the start till now? In my opinion, if every hunt would have been successful from start to the end, first of all, I would have run out of money a long time ago, and I personally probably would have gotten bored so fast of this hobby. Because if you have everything there is to get, why should I keep going hunting in the first place? Why should I keep spending money on this hobby, on this love, on this passion, if I have everything there is to love? Now, don't get me wrong, new things that are great and superb to collect come out all the time. I don't even want to argue about that. But would you cared in the first place about it if you are so bored of this hobby that you wouldn't even go hunting in the first place and not inform yourself about the newest releases and such? So just let this thought simmer for a second. In my opinion, I would have stopped a long time ago. I probably wouldn't even have started making videos in the first place. And that's the next thing. Because many people love this hobby, and like me, or George, Lamley, Peak Time Racing, Ministry of Diecast, that love this hobby, I presume, and love to share it with people on the internet as well. I personally think they all would have stopped years ago from both collecting and making videos if they had everything and got so bored of it. So, yeah. And, yeah. Not finding sometimes something at a hunt is good, because sometimes you find good stuff, sometimes you find even better stuff, sometimes you find arguably the best there is to find, and sometimes you actually find nothing, and finding nothing is better than everything else, because you found nothing. Now, I know many people of you have questions in their heads right now because they don't know what I mean, but let me explain it in a really short sentence. We need the downs to have a up already. So if it's always this wave of up and downs and up and downs and ups and downs and ups and downs and so on, then it's still kept being exciting for you, I think, at least for me. So sure, finding nothing is sometimes arguably both good and bad. For me, obviously better than bad, but not the greatest feeling at all. Now, sure, not sometimes not finding what you are searching for, sure enough, is annoying. I have this experience all the time with the latest sets, with the Ferrari 499P, the Ferrari LaFerrari, and all the other Ferraris, and the new Pininfarina Solus GT and so on premium set with the LaFerrari. I didn't find it, and I'm getting annoyed about it. But honestly, because I'm getting annoyed, I'm going on the hunt again, and again, because I want it. So, yeah. That's what makes not finding something, in my opinion, better than finding something at every hunt. So, yeah. I actually don't know anything else to say. So, yeah. Let me know in the comments what you think about this, guys. I know this is a rather weird video from my side, and I promise to go back to the usual content with the next video on either Sunday or Monday, whenever I got time. And yeah, see you. Let me know in the comments what you think. Would you have kept collecting if you found everything there is to find? Super treasure hunts, treasure hunts, everything you want to collect, from Silverlight sets to premium sets to main lines that you love very much. So, would you still have collected? I personally think you wouldn't. Now, I love to be proved otherwise, and I'm always open for different opinions. And again, this is just my opinion about the situation. But I'm standing strong. Sorry. I'm standing strong to my opinion. Because I believe in that. I believe you need downs to have ups again. And if you find nothing, you're even more excited if you find something like this. So, yeah. Thank you so much for watching until the end, guys. Again, let me know in the comments what you think about my thoughts. What are your opinion on the situation? And obviously, if it would have been as I said it, if you would have kept collecting, stopped collecting, or not. And then I wish you a very wonderful day ahead. I catch you in the next video. Until then, have a wonderful time. Bye bye.